Is it wrong to study or indulge in poetry or literature which does not speak of Allah, Tawheed, Islam, etc.? Depends on the intention. It's necessary for Muslims living in the West to understand the West and to understand its culture, so that we can reduce the damage that it does to us, to our communities and our children. And one useful insight into the soul of this civilization is by looking at its poetry. We should be doing more of that. But that would be with the intention of learning about it rather than learning from it. Similarly, there are forms of poetry in Islam that are not evidently religious, types of love poetry most conspicuously. And the ulama have often said that occasionally to enjoy that apparently secular type of poetry, as long as it doesn't command evident immorality, is perfectly legitimate. Tafrij an nafs. Ibn Abbas said, I sometimes occupy myself, ashtaghilu bi ba'd al-batil, with some batil things, futile things, so that my heart will not become bored when in the presence of what is true. So the ulama from time to time will have sessions of fairly secular poetry recitation. It's also part of one's general cultivation of the Arabic language, that one should know the poetry, even the pre-Islamic poetry, not Islamic at all by definition, but which can inform one of certain meanings of the Arabic language, pieces of vocabulary, grammatical structures that can help the ulama in unraveling difficult passages in the Quran and the Hadith. We carry over the questions to the next session. Yeah, I've spoken for much too long, so my apologies, and I'll keep these questions which I haven't tackled yet, inshallah, for next time.